In this video, I'm about to show you how to import product from CJ Dropshipping to WooCommerce. First, open Google Chrome on your computer and search for CJ Dropshipping. Then, click on the first link to access the CJ Dropshipping website. In the CJ Dropshipping dashboard, go to the left side menu and scroll to find authorization. Click on it, then select WooCommerce from the list. Next, click on Add Store to start the authorization process. Now, open a new tab in your browser and search for WooCommerce. Next, click the first link to access WooCommerce and copy the URL of your WooCommerce store. Return to the CJ Dropshipping tab, paste the WooCommerce URL into the address field, and click Authorize to connect the store. After that, go to WooCommerce and click the profile icon in the top right corner. Select My Store to check if your store is linked. Now, open the tab and search for WordPress. Click the first link to go to the WordPress site. In the WordPress dashboard, select WooCommerce from the left-hand menu. Then click on Start a New Store to set up your WooCommerce store. Here, enter the required details such as your address, city, postcode, country, and email address, then click Continue. On the next page, specify the types of product you plan to sell, e.g. physical product or downloads, and answer any other questions about your store, such as the number of products you plan to display and whether you're currently selling elsewhere. Fill in any additional details that WooCommerce requires according to your store preferences, then click Continue. Finally, click Confirm to complete the setup. You'll now have the option to continue to payment if applicable, which finalizes your WooCommerce store setup and enables product import from CJ Dropshipping. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.